Alright, back again. 416. Gold Standard, 2011. 4. Our last 2011 box. That was a nice pull on that redemption. I'm pretty sure they'll still redeem that for you too. They better. Yeah, that's going to be a pretty beastly card. Alright, 2011 Gold Standard. Good luck again. At least 5 hits here. Clay Matthews. Martez Wilson. Alan Page. I'm getting a lot of Alan Page cards lately. Quentin Carter. Every box of Gold Standard I open. Gold Leaf Star. Jamal Charles. Golden Age. Len Dawson. Lots of Chiefs. Hit 1. Another Chief. Len Dawson. Again. Golden Anniversary. Second hit is Hakeem Nicks. Gold Reserve. Jersey. Have Cecil Shorts, rookie auto. Another Chief, Justin Houston, rookie auto. And we have a Niner, Colin Kaepernick is our rookie auto patch. Got a free color. And looks like it came off a replica jersey. Just joking, I'm sure it didn't, but it's numbered to 525 on the Kaepernick. Len Dawson jersey was 99. Shorts $4.99. Houston $4.99. And Knicks $2.99. Break on the base and inserts. Clay Matthews $2.99. Martez $2.99. Page $2.99. Carter $2.99. $2.99. Chris Johnson $2.99. Len Dawson $2.99. Charles. All right, so all $2.99s on those. And that was our Gold Standard box. Yeah, man, Chiefs are killing it.